what's up? It's me Harshit. Today I'm making something so good. The aeroplane goes so fast. I made a bubble gum. I get so many views. Okay. So we take A3 paper. First we take a A3 paper and fold it. Guys, so if you fold in one paper, please restart because you take two papers and stick them with glue here. So you can fold now. Now you did? Okay, I'll wait for it. You did? Yes. So we fold it. We should check if the line is correct. Okay. So then we fold it. Oh, it's repeating again. Okay, now we get the correct size. Okay guys. So first, after we did it, we take our paper. So it came like this. So we take this paper, fold it, take this paper and fold it. And again, the next part, we do like this and do this and do it. It's so tiny, guys. The next, we take this paper, we do like this. Got it? We did like this part. So again, let's do it. The same. See this? It came like this. Again, let's do it. Okay. So after we did this part, let's take this. Again, you should do that. So I did like this and like this and like this and do like this. See this? It came. So the next part, you should do like this and do again like this and like this and do. It's finished. Let's check how far it can go. Let's check. That's fast, guys. So guys, I have something to say. My friend is here. He's taking the photograph, and his name is Rishik. Let's show them. Okay.
So
3.
now, you know why I'm basically putting the towel?
Because he want to show same time. Okay. 3.
Because I'm doing a festival.
3, 2, 1. This is him, boy.
Hi.
He looked like so dumb.
Stop!
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to our channel called Craft with Harshit. So guys, this is the end. So please subscribe, please. So after we get 1,000 subscribers and we are giving for this to the money. Money.
1,000 bucks for them.
Yeah, after I get money. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you. See you. Cha-cha. Bye guys. Okay.
Like and subscribe to his channel.
Don't forget that. Okay.
And click on the notifications.
Yep. Say bye.